The last 24 hours have been absolutely huge in the crypto markets and completely game-changing for the Solana ecosystem. We've recently had the Jupiter decentralized exchange go live, and what's crazy is Jupiter in the last 24 hours has already had an outrageous 24-hour volume, actually defeating Uniswap v3 on both chains, Ethereum and Arbitrum 1. So 1.287 billion 24-hour trading volume on the Jupiter DEX already. If you guys are new here, please do hit that subscribe button. Let's talk about this Solana-based ecosystem, because what's super exciting is I think we're honestly going to see Solana really climb up in terms of its total value locked over the next few months. As of course, we're seeing pre-sales trend there, we're seeing meme coins trend there, stealth launches and all sorts of things all over Bird Eye, all over Radium, and it's looking very, very fun. So what we've got, key data, $791 million market capitalization at the moment, with a $705 million trading volume here for JUP. You can see the last 24 hours. Our data isn't very consolidated yet. It's not very precise, shall we say, but we can jump into a few things and just look at what is going on for Jupiter. So state of Jupiter, January 2024, or January, most used trading platform in DeFi, direct 80% of organic volume, most used program in Solana, top 2 by Vol on CoinGecko, now actually top 1, most integrated platform in Solana, one of the top performing platforms, 1.4 billion volume in the last week. So this is all key data, which is of course very, very bullish, and it's just music to our ears. So we can see it's got liquidity here of $4.23 million. Don't know how accurate that is, but the market cap is written in at 781 million. So this is really, really exciting now, guys, and it's kind of just like, what's going to happen next whilst the whole world is watching this coin, and you're getting huge investors buy in to the token. And I think that's what's really interesting. So the max total supply we can see is written in at 9.999 billion tokens, basically 10 billion. There's 255,000 holders already. Now, since the inception of its launch, it did have a bit of euphoric top, hit 0.74, so it's only corrected about 20%, and typically a 20% correction isn't really an alarming one. It's quite a normal correction, especially for coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. 20% corrections or waves are typically normal, so this could just be like the very, very first major kind of downtrend that we're seeing. You could even call it a falling wedge if it's the first lump of data that we've got here. We could actually potentially see a breakout to the upside here, up to the 0.62, got a bit of resistance at 0.60, but I don't think the technicals matter too much right now. It's too soon, and I think whilst this is of course highlighting all that euphoria, all that volume, money comes down, smart money sort of buys in here, we get the consolidation, as people that do get afraid of these 5-10% dips do sell off their bags. Oh no, it's going to keep on crashing. I think the fundamentals and the utility behind the actual DEX is what matters most. More people will get involved, and as people start waking up around the world and looking at JUP USD pair that we can see right here, I think more and more people will be getting excited. So if we do look at some major fib targets, the 1618 does present us an opportunity of upside, where we could potentially see a major move, 42%, bringing the market capital over $1 billion. So that's the target, really, isn't it? To see the market capital fly over $1 billion, and I think it's going to happen because it's only $200 million away, guys. That's not far away at all. $200 million away. So it's a good chance that we're going to see Jupiter do exactly that. When we look at the markets, we can see some of the pairs. It's on Gate, OKX, Bybit, listed on Binance just recently. In terms of volume, most is actually coming from OKX, Bybit and Gate, which is surprising actually that Binance is not creating most of the volume there. Overall, I just think it's great to see this project doing what it's doing already, and I think I might buy a little position down here based on my own belief that we'll get that $1 billion market cap, and even if it only comes up 20%, 20% is still a 20% pump, so could be worthwhile. Of course, don't neglect or forget about the bearish scenarios with these particular plays, because it's still possible to see the coin correct if it wanted to. We could still lose short at $0.57, although I think that is quite unlikely at this point in time. Otherwise, it probably would have already, rug pulled or something like that. Anyhow, here's Jupiter project. For those that don't know what it looks like, very exciting times. Here's the decks right here. Gone are the days of Uniswap. I'm joking. PancakeSwap, at least. I mean, who uses PancakeSwap anymore? Like, seriously. Radium is where it's at. Jupiter is where it's at now. And yeah, I really do like what we're seeing here with the Jupiter exchange. JUP is actually trending now on Twitter, so everything is JUP. The token ticker, the hashtag JUP is trending, which is really cool to see as well. If you're new here, make sure you become potentially a patron for the Jacob's Crypto Clan. That's me. By the way, I've got a very big Discord channel, which I'd love you guys to be a part of, and it's right here. So if you do get into the Discord and you're looking for over 500 trading signals per month, and you're also looking for straight to DEX launches, stealth launches, and all that good stuff, you can become a crypto legend or a crypto champion. There's one champion slot remaining, there's one crypto legend slot remaining, so I really look forward to seeing the next legend and champion join us. We've got over 21,000 key members within our Discord channel. And if you are new to trading or looking to just escape your current exchange, MEXC is a no KYC exchange where you can also trade lots of meme coins, lots of OG fundamental utility coins, and maybe, just maybe, I haven't even checked yet, maybe, yes, you can even get some Jupiter. So if you want to buy some Jupiter, use the MEXC link as well. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. Do your own research and due diligence. So yes, and yeah, sign up to MEXC down below, folks. It will really help us grow, and it gives you also the chance for bonuses when you sign up with my link. Now, what else have we got going on in the crypto sphere? We can see on the week we've got a bit of green in the markets. We did have that altcoin bounce. On the day, the market is looking a little bit red, not much is going on, and Jupiter is actually the biggest dropper, ironically, but it did just literally rip a huge launch, so it's expected for now. It's also on many centralized exchanges, so we're seeing it correct a little bit, and I really hope that, of course, it's not going to fold any further. Fear and greed index, we've got 63 in the crypto markets right now, and this reminds us that the sentiment is close to fair value. We're not in extreme greed, which I think is a good thing. To correct around here, go back to neutral and not see the price crumble is quite a good thing, and we're only 84 days away from that Bitcoin halving. So yeah, guys, this is seriously exciting. The next year, 2024, is going to be very bullish for crypto all around, I think. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, stay crypto safe, smash that subscribe, and let's all grow together. Let's try and achieve financial freedom together. See you soon.